Hey guys, how are you? Thank you for stopping by today. My name is Laura and this is LP Hair. Today I just want to share with you guys my work look. So I'm a barber and my barber shop is actually pretty classy, so we like to dress up when we're there. So I put on my work shirt for you guys, my work pants, which you can't really see, and now I'm going to show you guys how I do my work hair. So what I'm going to do is just a simple ponytail. I'm not going to make it too low, I'm not going to make it too high, it's going to go right in the middle, and I'm going to leave my bangs cascading down like this, just so that I have a nice, sleek, very professional, classy look, but that I also can show off my undercut and my dreadlocks so that I still have a little bit of that edge that I like to have in my regular life. So here it goes. So what I've done here is I blow dried my hair, I put some hairspray in it, and I did just a little light curl just in the front so I could get this nice swoop here and a little curl on the edge. And I just did the same to my ends here. They're just a little bit softened so they're not so straight and flat looking, and as you can see I have a lot of volume here. And then what I'm going to do is just gather all of my hair just right into around just where my occipital bone is, right here, just so I get a nice kind of midway ponytail with a little bit of volume there. And I just run my hands through my dreadlocks just to make sure that on both sides there's no loose ones, and I'm going to try to make it nice and tight at the bottom and then have the volume up at the top here. And so far it looks good. And then I'm just going to pull out a little piece here to go down my face, and then I'm just going to secure this here right in the center of my head with a ponytail or elastic. Pull that nice and tight there, and I'm just going to give some of these top ones a little pull just to pull it up, and same going into the middle and pulling at some of my middle dreadlocks, just so it brings the whole thing in tighter to my head. Little ponytail. And then I'm going to take one of my dreadlocks, just any one of them, and I'm going to wrap it around the elastic and then secure it in there with a bobby pin. I'm going to fix this piece here that's flying up just by running my hands through the top and fluffing this out. And then my bang I'm just going to allow to softly fall over to the side like that. And then I'm going to hairspray it all in place. I'll double check the back with my mirror if I can find myself. I can't. Perfect. There. And this is Barber Laura. A little bit classy, a little bit edgy, simple, fast. There. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. If you'd like, please subscribe down below to my channel and come back next week. I do my own hair and other people's hair, stuff on dreadlocks, undercuts, and hairstyling. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye.